Landings Association General Manager Karl Stevens here with Finance Director Jessica Henderson. And Jessica, we came into the property and casualty insurance season not hopeful that we would end up where we did, because it's a hardening market, as they call it, with less insurance out there and higher costs, but we got a really good result.
We did. I was very nervous just from the conversations of other homeowners associations and the climate for even getting insurance to be renewed, much less the costs that we were seeing from other people that were talking through threads that we follow just to get industry standards. So we had a very positive renewal period. We were 2.5% less on our cost from our renewal last year. We had budgeted for a 12% increase, which will now look at around $100,000 in savings from where we ended up. We did change carriers. We did gain more coverage with this renewal, and we also increased deductibles for both of our marinas so that those are now at $500,000 each.
But those increased deductibles were saving about $55,000 a year in premium.
Correct. It was looked at, reviewed by our insurance committee. We talked about that. Was the cost savings worth it? We felt that it was the right time to make that move. And we can invest those savings into future year periods and hopefully continue to look at other options that we may be able to save money.
And the key is the insurance committee. As the kids say, shout out to the insurance committee, because these are industry professionals, experts. They really know what they're talking about. I feel like every time we have a meeting, I'm learning something with them.
I am always learning something with them. They are very dedicated. They are in this business. They have worked in this business. Some are still working in this business, and they are very helpful to us each year when we go through the renewal process, and anytime during the year if we have questions or want to brainstorm about how we can do things better, differently, just for the good of the whole group and association.
So a great outcome, saving about $100,000 versus what our budget was. So very appreciative, and that's the kind of work that we rely on our community, our partners here within the community to help us out with.
Yes, definitely appreciate that. It's always interesting, but this was a very, very pleasant surprise to what I intended that we were going to go into that renewal process with.
All right, thanks so much.